Students, this is DN Nagamma, Maths CRT from KGBV, Gudibanda. Today our teaching topic is similar triangles in 10th class, 8th chapter. This is very important chapter for 10th public exams. What topic? Similar triangles. What is similar triangles? The corresponding of angles, the two triangles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. The corresponding angles of two triangles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay student, first of all let us recap some symbols in which we use our topic. This is ratio. This is ratio symbol. Ratio. This is proportion. Proportion. Then this is similar. Similar. Then this symbol represent congruent. Congruent. Then this symbol represent triangle. Ratio, proportion, similar, congruent, triangle. Okay, let us discuss similar and congruent figures. Similar figures and congruent figures. Similarity. Similarity, congruence. Similar figures and congruent figures. In geometrical, any two geometrical figures which has same shape in different size, that figures are called similar figures. Two figures having same shape and in different size. Then here same shape and also same size. Geometrical figures which has same shape and different size, that figures are called similar figures. Then same shape and same size having figures are called congruent figures. Okay, observe the following examples. I take two equilateral triangular. Okay, the length of side is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Here the triangle length of side is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay, observe students. Here angles, equilateral triangle. Angles are equal. Angles equal 60 degree, 60 degree. Then length of side are different. So it is same shape but different sizes. These figures are called similar figures. Similar here triangles. So similar triangles. Similar triangles. Okay, here I take two equilateral triangle. Here length of side 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Then second triangle also 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay, observe students. Here angles are same. Angles are same. 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Angles are same. Sides also equal. Angles equal. Angles are equal. And sides also equal. Okay, observe. Angles represent shape. Angles represent shape. Sides represent size. Okay, angles equal and sides also equal. So these figures are called congruent figures. Congruent figures. Then I take a square, another example, square. Okay student, here length of side 2 centimeter, square 2 centimeter, length of side 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Here 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Each angle is 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. So angles are equal, but length of side different sizes. Different size. So different size squares. These squares are called similar squares. Similar squares. Okay, here we write triangle, 1 length of side, 2 length of side, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter length of side. So all equilateral triangles are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. Very important students. All equilateral triangles are similar, and also all squares are equal. All squares are equal. All squares are equal. Here I take two squares. Length of side is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. And also same square 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay students, here angle, each angle is 90 degree. Angles equal and sides also equal. These figures are called congruent squares, congruent figures. And also take another example here. I draw the circle with radius 2 centimeter. I draw the circle with radius 3 centimeter. Okay students, here 2 centimeter radius, 3 centimeter radius. Same shape but different radius. So these circles are called similar circles. Similar circles. Okay, we draw this type. All circles are similar. All circles are similar. Okay students, here we can once say the point, all congruent figures are similar figures, but similar figures need not to be congruent. Congruent figures अन्नी कूड़ा similar होता है, but similar figures अनेवी congruent कावु. Congruent figures are similar figures, but need not to be congruent. Okay students, then similarity of triangles. Now see the figures in TLM. Okay students, similar figures, congruent figures. Same shape but different size triangles. Observe students, same shape, triangle shape but different sizes. Here same shape and same size. So congruent figures, similar figures. Here circles, same shape but different sizes. Here squares, same shape but different sizes. Here also take 20 rupee note and 100 rupees note. Same shape but different sizes. Here all equilateral triangles are similar. All circles are similar. All squares are similar. Okay students, next we discuss similarity of triangles. Similarity of triangles. Okay, I draw two triangles here. Triangle of A, B, C. Then triangle of D, C, E. A, B, angle C. Then AB side is corresponding to DE. Then BCE corresponding BCC. Length of side BC is corresponding to CE. AC side is corresponding to length of side DC. What is similarity of triangles? Similarity of triangle means the corresponding of angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in proportion. Corresponding sides. Corresponding sides in the same ratio. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding angles are equal. What? Angle A. Angle A equal to corresponding to angle D. Then angle B is corresponding to angle E. Then angle C is corresponding to angle C. ACB and DCE. ACB and DCE. Corresponding angles are equal. Then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. AB, first triangle length of side AB is corresponding to DE. AB by DE is then BC. BC by CE. BC by CE equal to AC by DC. AC by DC in the same ratio. Corresponding angles are equal. Then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then we can say that the two triangles are in the similar. So similarity of triangles. Okay, I take one example here. ABC triangle and PQR triangle. Angle A is 50 degree, angle B is 70 degrees, angle C is 60 degrees. Then angle P 50 degrees, angle Q 70 degrees, angle R 60 degrees. Then AB length of side 4 cm, BC 5 cm, then AC 6 cm. Then PQ 12 cm, then AC PQ corresponding 18 cm, then 15 cm. Okay, observe students here. Corresponding angles. Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 50 degree. Then angle B is corresponding to angle Q. Angle B is corresponding to angle Q is equal to 70 degrees. Then angle C is corresponding to angle R is 60 degrees. Corresponding angles are equal in two triangles. Then corresponding sides. Observe corresponding sides. AB by here corresponding side PQ. Then BC is corresponding to QR. Then AC is corresponding to PR. AB is 4 cm, PQ is 1 cm. Then BC is 5 cm, QR is 15 cm. Then AC is 6 cm, then 18 centimeter. Okay, we simplify. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, observe students here. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. The corresponding sides are in two triangles are same ratio. So we can say the similarity of triangle. Using this principle, we find out the height of tree, height of tower, and the building, high-rise building of height. Using this similarity of triangles, we find out the height. Next, we discuss basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. This theorem is called also Thales theorem. This is very important for 4 marks. Only statement has 1 mark or 2 marks. Or total theorem is 4 marks. Very important for public examinations. Okay. Basic proportionality theorem. We called BPT theorem. BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Okay, observe students here. I take triangle ABC. AB length of side, AB side, BC side, AC side. Here, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. In this triangle, one side of a triangle, I take BC side parallel to one line. BC is parallel to DE. DE is parallel to BC. If line is parallel to the one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, observe students, same ratio here. DE is intersect D point at side AB, then AC intersect at E. Here AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is required to prove the theorem. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Once again, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay students, all are remember that point. AD by DB is AE by EC. This is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Using this theorem, we solve so many problems in our textbook. Now, I solved one problem. Do this problem. What values of x will make DE is parallel to AB in the given figure? DE, here ABC is triangle. DE is parallel to AB. DE is parallel to AB. What values of x? Okay, some values are given here. AD is 8x plus 9. CD is x plus 3. BE is 3x plus 4. CE is x. What values of x? Here, x. What values of x? D is parallel to AB. Okay, student. Using basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is Thales theorem. According to this theorem, we write in this figure CD by DA. CD by DA on AD. Equal to CE by EB CD is x plus 3. X plus 3 by AD. AD is 8x plus 9 equal to C. C is x. Then B. Bx plus 4. Okay students, now cross multiplication. Now solve the x values. Find out x values. X plus 3 into 3x plus 4. X plus 3 into 3x plus 4 equal to, then x into 8x plus 9. X into 8x plus 9. Okay, multiplication of algebraic expressions here. X into 3x and x into 4. Then 3 into 3x and 3 into 4. Here also x into 8x, x into 9. Okay, right? X into 3x, x into 3x plus x into 4 plus 3 into 3, 3 into 3x, 3x plus 3 into 4 is equal to x into 8x plus x into 9. Okay students, here constant 3, then x into x. X into x, x square plus 4 into x, 4x. Then 3 3s are 9x plus 3 4s are 12 equal to x into x, x square. Here constant is 8x square plus 9 into x, 9x. Then 3x square, same terms here. 9 plus 4, 13x plus 12 is equal to 8x square plus 9x. Okay, this term transfer the right side students. Okay, first write 8x square plus 9x. Transfer the 3x square from left side to right side. Plus 3x square is quantity minus 3x square. Then plus 13x is minus 13x. Plus 12 is minus 12 is equal to 0. Here x square, same like terms. So 8 minus 3, 5x square. Then 9x minus 13x minus 4x plus 9 minus 30 minus 4x. Then remaining constant minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this factorizing students, find out x. 5x square minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. 5x square minus 10x factorize student, 6x minus 12 equal to 0. Here 5x write as 5x into x minus 10x is written as 5x into 2 plus 5 2s are 10. Then 6 into x minus 12 is written 6 into 2 is equal to 0. 6 2s are 12. Okay, here observe students, 5x and 5x is common terms. So 5x is common. Here remaining term x minus 2. Remaining term here is 2. Then 6 is common factor. X minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, observe student, here x minus 2 and x minus 2. Once again common factor x minus 2. Then remaining factor 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, now x minus 2 equal to 0, 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 minus 2 is go to right side plus 2. X is equal to 2 plus 0 is 2. Here 5x is equal to plus 6 is transfer the right side is change minus 6. Then x is equal to minus 6 by 5. Okay student, here what values of x? So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 655. will make D is parallel to AB. The homework, page number 193, activity are there. Page number 194, do these problems are there. Page number 196, activity. Page number 197 and 200. Try these problems and do these problems. Very important, children. 2 marks for public examinations. Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you.